How to add photos in CapCut. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the photos in CapCut. So guys, to add the photos on the CapCut, you will have to follow some steps. So open the CapCut app on your device and then create a new project or import an existing video. So let me select this existing video. From there you will have to tap right here on this plus icon to import the other videos or the photos. So you will have to tap right here on the plus icon. Then you will have to tap right here on the photos, and after that you will have to select for the photo. So let me select this photo. Guys, you can add the multiple photos from there. So after that you will have to tap right here on the add button, and then you can see that these two photos are now added into your project. So this is how you can easily add photos, and keep in mind that the order of the photos in the timeline is important. If your photos are not in the desired order, you can rearrange them by drag and dropping them to the desired position in the timeline. Yeah, in addition, adding a photos, you can also use the CapCut templates to create the visually appealing content for the social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.